everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty, very delicious chicken tikka kebab in air fryer. It's very juicy and very delicious. One of the best appetizer. How to make it this delicious? Chicken tikka or chicken kebab. I'll show you today how to make a delicious, juicy, tender chicken tikka in air fryer. And let's get started. The ingredients we need, I have taken 4 chicken breasts. These are boneless, skinless, and I washed with cold water, and I cut it into like a 1-inch cube size pieces. The bigger, the better. Not too big, not too small. 3 type of bell pepper, which is capsicum, green, orange, red, and onion. The other ingredients, 1 cup dahi, half teaspoon garlic, ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon each black pepper, salt, Kashmiri mirch. And this is food color. This is strictly optional to enhance the look and the color of a chicken tikka. It's a good idea to use the color. First, we're going to prepare the marination. Get a mixing bowl, add dahi, salt, black pepper, Kashmiri mirch, ginger powder, garlic powder, and now we're going to mix it well. As you see, the marination, this is how it looks. Now we're going to add the color, and as I mentioned, this is strictly optional. Once we're going to mix it, watch. This is going to give us a nice color, like a tandoori color. If you don't like food color, just skip it. So once all the spices are nicely combined, add chicken. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, set it aside for half an hour. I'll be using OMMO air fryer. This is very good air fryer. I have an unboxing video posted on my other channel, which is Sidhu DIY. Please check it out. This is very good OMMO air fryer. The chicken tikka, I'll be making in OMMO air fryer, and I will be using, goes into the hole and it clamps in here. And we're going to place the chicken, bell pepper, onion, then we're going to put this one into air fryer and it will do its own course, and once it's going to be done, it's going to be really tasty. So we'll start putting in. First we're going to take onion, then we're going to put it in, then green bell pepper, get another piece, another bell pepper, another chicken piece, I'm going to get red bell pepper, get onion, another chicken piece, and 1 more bell pepper on the side. Look at this, looking very nice. As I finish, my grocery shopping arrived. The mushrooms, they taste really well. So please try these mushrooms as well. So what I did, I washed the mushroom, I cut into thin slices like this. Not too thin, but this is perfect. Already done on this one, I'm just going to use only one. Once we're done, we'll put it into the plate. Start doing the same process. So I'm going to show you one more. We'll get mushroom, then we're going to get the chicken. Green bell pepper, onion, another chicken piece, red, orange, chicken piece, mushroom, chicken piece, Look at this. Looking really nice. And onion. You see, this is how it's going to look. Place it in plate. I have 6 more to go, and I will do it the same way. All the chicken tikka kebab, they're all ready. Now I'm going to get the rack. This is a rotating rack, and we're going to place it in. Once I'm going to place it in, and we're going to lock it in. So once it locks in, it's going to sit like this. I'll place all of these the same way. And this is the last one. So look at this. This is how beautiful, nicely looking rack. The house cleaning is very important. Clean it right away. So this is ready to go. We'll open it. So this will go inside. Once it goes into the socket, I have a tray at the bottom to catch all the drippings. We're going to close it. So we're going to start the OMMO air fryer. We're going to press the power. So this one has a preset setting 380 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, but I'm going to keep the temperature to 400 Fahrenheit. Press the rack and we're going to start it. I'm going to turn the light on and you will see it inside. So as you can see, rotating inside. So now we're going to come back after 20 minutes, and within 20 minutes it will be done. We have 2 more minutes to go at 400 Fahrenheit off. Here you go. So 20 minutes. Chicken tikka is all done. It's a good idea since the air fryer is really hot. It's a good idea to leave it inside 5 minutes. Then we're going to take it out. I waited for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. And this is the tool we use it to pull the basket out. It's like that. Look at this. Very delicious. I'm going to turn it on and we're going to get very delicious. This is all done, and please try these appetizers. You're going to like it. As you've seen it, it's so easy to make, super delicious. Chicken tikka kebab. Within 20 minutes, they are all done. They are very tasty. They are juicy, moist, tender. Please try it, and you're going to like it. And like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.